the internet is not working. How I watch my serial?
Oh, again the internet is broken. Okay, I'll call to the net service.
Ring, 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 ring.
Is this net service?
Yes, I'm Asma Shahid from Knowledge Service. How may I help you?
It's been having a consistent issue with our home network.
Could you please describe the problem you are facing?
The internet is usually slow and sometimes disconnect.
Let me check it and may I have your account details?
How long will the process take?
Then we try to resolve it and keep you updated.
Okay, thank you so much, ma'am.
Sir ji, ਹੁਣ ਕੀ ਕਰੀਏ?
ਅਸੀਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰਨ ਲੱਗੇ ਸਹੀ ਜਾ ਮੇਰੀ ਚਾਹ ਲੈ ਗਿਆ ਲੋਕੀ ਕਰ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਫੋਨ ਮਿੰਟ ਬਾਅਦ ਰੋਲ ਕੈਮਰਾ ਐਕਸ਼ਨ ਵੈਲਕਮ ਟੂ ਕੋਕੋਮੈਲਨ
It's very cold here in Punjab. Hey! Oh, hey, David. How are you? I'm good. And you? I'm too. Ladybug, did you notice how cold is how chilly is Punjab now? Oh, absolutely. Wait. The temperature has dropped quite a bit. I am finding hard to fly around with these cold winds. I know, what do you mean? I have been scurrying around to find enough food to keep me warm during this chilly days. It must be difficult for you, Rabbit, but you have these cozy hairs to keep you warm. I wish I could have something like that. Well, you do have those cute spots on your wings, Ladybug. You must have...
Good evening, viewers. You are watching Chatters of Matter, the talk show. I am your host, Kanza Fatima.
And me, Hadia. Today we have a special guest in our studio, founder of successful multinational Hanisha company.
Thank you for having me. It's great to be here.
So, Miss Hania, tell us about your company's new product that you have launched yesterday. How it began?
Well, it's all begin with passion. I saw a gap in market and I want to fulfill it. Here's our new product, a blockbuster perfume, Black Rose. We have about 10 lakhs of sale on its first year.
That's inspiring. Viewers, you can call on the number given on the screen for any inquiry.
Oh, we have a caller. Hello, Zarmi. You are on here. What's your question?
Hi, I'm interested in your product. Can you tell me the characteristic of your new launch perfume?
Yes, sure. As I described that, our product is hypoallergenic and environmentally friendly and eco-friendly. Its packaging is reusable.
Thank you.
Welcome.
I also have a question for you, Miss Hania.
Yeah, sure.
It is suitable for daily wear or not?
Yes, it is suitable for daily wear and its all formulas are usable and hypoallergenic.
Okay, here's another call on our screen. Okay, what's your question?
Hello, I am curious about the longevity of the fragrance. How long can we expect it to last?
Excellent question. Black Rose has longevity fragrance. If you use our product, its fragrance is continuously about 6 to 8 hours.
Hi, I love to try new scent, but I have allergies. Are your perfume hypoallergenic?
Yes, sure. As I described, our fragrance is hypoallergenic and eco-environment friendly.
Safety first.
Here is another caller. Okay, what's your question?
I like sustainable products. I have a question. Are your formulas eco-friendly? Yes, and as I described, all formulas are eco-friendly.
Thanks for calling. Calling time is over. Keep watching our show, Chatters of Matters. We will meet you tomorrow. Till that time, take care. Allah Hafiz.